Introducing Hydroxylgel redefines rheology control with advanced inorganic thickening technology. It is powered by natural inorganic innovation for reliable, formulation-friendly, consistent and scalable performance. Also, it is designed to deliver exceptional stability, suspension control, and smooth, consistent application performance. Our product provides thermostable, aqueous viscosity control for consistent processing performance. They deliver enhanced thixotropy, smooth flow during application, firm structure at rest, ensuring superior stability and control. It prevents pigment and filler settlement, ensuring uniform, stable formulations during storage and application. Our product reduces syneresis, enhancing shelf life and visual consistency in finished formulations. Hydroxylgel A1 clearly replaces 50% HEC without affecting paint rheology. Hydroxylgel 90T enables 30% SCMC replacement with stable viscosity performance. Our product, Hydroxylgel, is ideal for water-based paints, texture, exterior coating, latex paints, adhesives, inks, and textile coating applications requiring consistent performance. With EcoVadis Gold recognition, 20 Microns leads in sustainable, responsible manufacturing. Our Advanced Research Center drives innovation with superior testing and technical excellence. 20 Microns serves industries nationwide with advanced plants, strong R&D, and a broad sales network that ensures high performance. Visit 20microns.com, email us at enquiry@20microns.com.